Yes, so an AI tool that I'm really excited about is LumaLabs.ai. And this tool allows you to create a 3D model from a prompt. So let's give it a try. You can ask it to create a Mars base that uses advanced technologies. And we can even ask it to make it a SpaceX inspired Mars base. Okay, so let's generate. And why I'm really excited about this tool is that it generates a 3D model that you're able to use on a 3D printer afterwards. So you can use the results or the output of this tool and send it to your 3D printer. Let's see. So as you can see, you can type different versions by pressing the retry button. And once you have found a version that you liked, you can click on it. For example, I can click on this one, and then it's going to generate this model for me. And once it has been generated, we can ask it to increase the texture of it, improve the quality, and so on. As you can see here, you can ask it to make a high res model. You have to click a button. This takes a few minutes, so I won't wait for this. But once you get this result, you can export it as an STL file or another 3D printed file or printable file and send it to your 3D printer or use a service that's printed for you, such as Materialize or Shapeways. And then you get a model sent to you a few days later. I tried it a few times, and so far the final result doesn't seem that great. And since you still need to do some final touches, so I think it's a good first version of a model, but you still have to adjust it. But as we all know, AI technology evolves rapidly, and I wouldn't be surprised if Luma Labs would evolve in the coming weeks and months and make a model that is really awesome and ready to 3D print. I think at the moment it's already possible for simpler models. For more complex models, you still have to do some touch ups. But I think it's a really exciting evolution because you can make your own innovations with just a prompt. For example, if you see an item that's broken in your home, or you want to create an adapter, or want to experiment with 3D printing, this software makes it a lot easier because you don't need design skills. You just have to write a prompt, iterate, and go from there. So LumaLabs.ai, something that I'm really excited about, and I would encourage you to give it a try as well.